Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Adlin Iman binti Fauzi. I am from class CDCS 1104C. Today I will be presenting my final year project, a mobile app called MathTutor app. This app is designed to connect students with tutors around the world, allowing students to ask questions, join live sessions, and watch video tutorials while tutors can manage session, answer questions, and monitor earnings all in one place. Without further ado, let's take a look at our first page, which is login page. This is the login page for both users, student and tutors. So if they are first timer, they have not yet signed up for student or tutors, they need to click at sign up here. This and it will direct them to role selection page. They need to choose which role they want to be. For example, if they want to be a student, they need to click student. I accept the role terms and condition and click continue. It will direct them to the next page, which is sign up as student page. So here, student needs to enter their details: name, email, password, date of birth, and education level. Education level I choose as drop down so that the student can choose within this selection. Next, if the users want to be a tutor, they need to click on the tutor. I accept the role terms and condition, continue, and it will go to sign up as tutor page. Okay. So, what happens if they want to be a tutor? They need to enter their info like this. So after they click sign up, then it will go to onboarding page for tutor. So here, click next, next. So if they want to become a tutor, they need to take some quizzes. So let's take a look at the quiz. So the tutor only has 50 minutes to answer the questions. Let's take a look. If the student success in getting full mark on the test quiz, it will display congratulations, you are approved as a tutor. So they need to go to dashboard and it will go to the tutor homepage. This is tutor homepage. It has many features just like student homepage but different button. Here we can see it has answer questions, my students, sessions, earnings. Before start here, we are going to see the student homepage. Let's take a look at student homepage. If we're going to student homepage, what if the user forgot to enter their password? So this part, this link for forgot password, this forgot password link will direct you to a reset password page. So the user need to enter their email and the reset link will be sent to the email. As for example, send reset link. Okay, so the email have been sent to the user. Let me check at the email. It will come out at the email of the user, and the user need to click the link to reset their password. So they need to enter new password. They can see now your new password have been set. Back to login. Now you can enter your new password as usual. Now let's take a look at student homepage. The student homepage has many features like menu sidebar, profile, banner so that it is easy for user or we call it as a student, to quick navigate their screen. Like for example, if they click on ask an aspect, it will navigate to ask question buttons. Okay, if they click on ask question buttons, it will go to the same page. So if they want to ask question, they can type their question here or upload from files and camera. So they need to enter the question first. Then they need to set their question price by using this bar. The bar range only 1 ringgit to 5 ringgit. So they need to set their question price in the range. Then submit question. And the question has been submitted successfully. Then let's take a look at the next. Let's take a look at the next button, which is sessions. Sessions lists all sessions that the tutor has been inserted in the database. This is one of the session of the tutor. So if they click on join now, they will go direct to the Google Meet link. They will see the tutor's detail at this page. Now, let's take a look at video tutorials button. This video tutorial buttons is connected with YouTube link and also Vimeo link. So when they click one of these card, you'll go direct to the YouTube link for the card. For example, if you want to search about maybe statistic, all right, click on the card. It will go direct to the YouTube. For me, I need to update my app first before going to YouTube. So yeah. Okay, next. Let's take a look at Find Tutors button.
This is a tutor list page which the student can choose their tutor based on the rate, the type of subject that they want the tutor to teach. So at here, you can see after we click on the details, the student can request their tutor by clicking on the request tutor button. They need to enter remarks as they want to chat with the tutor. After clicking on the request tutor button, it will store the data into the tutor request in the database. I will show you later. Let's take a look at my questions page.
So the My Question History is where the question that have been asked by the student will be displayed here. It is a history of the question that have been asked previously. So as you can see right here, I've just asked this question just now. So the student can access the answer here if the tutor has been replied. Okay. Then let's take a look at the profile page. This is the profile page of the students. At the menu sidebar, it has profile, about us, and logout. So let's take a look at about us page. So this is about me. So MathTutor is a mobile application developed as part of my final year project for the computer science program. This is about me. This is about the application. So it is related. Then we can log out. Let's take a look at the next page, which is tutor page. After entering login, after entering login, after entering data in login page, it will direct goes to the tutor homepage. The tutor homepage has also many features, which is menu sidebar, profile, answer question button, my student button, session button, and earnings button. So it also have banners that is quick navigation for the button at the for the below button. So if the tutor click at answer now, it will go direct to the answer question button page. Let's take a look. Like when we click at the answer question button, it's still the same page. Let's take a look at answer question. So here, tutor can see the available question that have been entered by the students. These are the questions that have entered by the students. So the tutor can select which one of the question that they want to answer, and they will gain money by answering them. So for example, if you want to answer this question, what is 2 plus 2? It will direct goes to the answer question page, and the tutor need to enter their answer. Or they also can attach image or PDF here. If they want to attach image of the answer or PDF, they can click on the button, and it will go here, and it will go to the file of the phone. So submit answer, then the answer will be submitted, and also the earnings, the total earnings updated to 10 ringgit 34 cent. So this is the earning for the tutor. Let's take a look at my student button. Let's take a look at my student page. My student page is essential for the tutors to see which student who requests their tutoring. So as you can see right here, there are that want to request the tutor. So the tutor need to approve the student, and the status will be updated. Here, it will go approve. Next, let's take a look at sessions. This is tutor session page. Tutor can take a look at the session that they have entered before. So if they want to edit the session that they have been entered before, like if they want to edit the maybe the titles, or they can select if they want to be online or offline. If they want it to be online, so save changes. So session it has been updated. After register in sign up page, maybe as tutor or students, all of the informations will be stored in authentications, which it will collect the Gmail, and also it will generate user UID. This is the Firebase for authentication. Now let's take a look at the Firebase that I have used. I use Cloud Store MathTutor app. So the collection, the data store that I have stored is question, session, tutor request, tutors, users, video tutorials. Just now, I have said that when the user enter their question, it will go to the data class questions, and it will store it in here. If for the sessions, if the tutor add new session, it will it will insert the data in the data class session. So all of the info will be uploaded here, will be stored in this Firestore database. And for the tutor request, when the students request for a tutors at the Find Tutors page, so it will store the tutor name, subject, status requested at remarks in the Firestore database. And for the tutors, it is for the tutor list, like it will go straight up to the tutor list. Users collection is where it stores all the info of the students and tutor. So as you can see here, Anissa Aisha as tutor, Adlina Iman as students. Video tutorial collection is where all the title, URL, thumbnail, URL of the video tutorial are stored. As you can see here, there are lots of data have been stored. So this will be called out in the code and it will display at the video tutorial page. I think that's all for now. Thank you for listening to my presentation.